10 fitness hacks you can do from home. Sure, here are 10 fitness hacks you can do from the comfort of your home. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise, followed by brief periods of rest. You can find various HIIT workout routines online that require minimal space and equipment. Bodyweight exercises. Utilize your own body weight for strength training exercises, such as squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. These exercises target multiple muscle groups and can be done without any equipment. Bodyweight exercises are a great way to build strength, improve muscular endurance, and increase flexibility without the need for any equipment. Here are some effective bodyweight exercises you can do at home. Push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest is near the ground, then push back up. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Circuit training. Create a circuit of different exercises, alternating between strength exercises and cardiovascular activities. For example, you can combine jumping jacks, burpees, push-ups, and mountain climbers for an effective full-body workout. YouTube fitness videos. There are numerous fitness channels on YouTube that offer free workout routines and classes suitable for all fitness levels. Find a workout style you enjoy, whether it's yoga, dance workouts, or kickboxing, and follow along. Jump rope. Jumping rope is a fantastic cardiovascular exercise that requires minimal space. It helps improve coordination, endurance, and burns calories effectively. Staircase workout. Utilize your staircase for exercises such as stair sprints, step-ups, or even tricep dips using the bottom step. It's a great way to elevate your heart rate and engage your lower body muscles. Yoga and stretching. Incorporate yoga or stretching routines into your daily fitness regimen to improve flexibility, balance, and overall well-being. There are plenty of online resources and mobile apps available for guided yoga sessions. Household items as weights. Use everyday household items like water bottles, canned goods, or backpacks filled with books as makeshift weights for strength training exercises. Dance party. Turn up the music and have a dance party in your living room. Dancing is a fun way to get your heart rate up and burn calories while enjoying yourself. Stay active throughout the day. Find ways to stay active even when you're not doing a dedicated workout. Take regular breaks to walk around, do some light stretching, or perform bodyweight exercises like squats or lunges while you're on a phone call or watching TV. Remember to start slowly, listen to your body, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Stay consistent and make fitness a part of your daily routine to achieve your goals. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.